Welcome children. In today's class, we are going to discuss an important topic. In our day-to-day life, we come across many essential things which are associated with chemistry. They are made either from synthetic or from natural chemicals. In order to achieve specific and better results and to solve real-world problems, chemical principles and theories are applied to various fields. This is called applied chemistry. Children, in last class we have discussed nanochemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry and electrochemistry. In today's class, we are going to learn remaining branches of applied chemistry in detail. Children, you are quite familiar with isotopes. What are radioisotopes? Have you heard about that? Let's see an example. These are isotopes of hydrogen. In this, tritium is unstable. To attain stability, it rearranges itself and loses energy in the form of radiation. This phenomenon is called radioactive decay, and these isotopes are called radioactive isotope or radioisotope. This property of isotope is known as radioactivity. Radioisotopes are used in three major fields. C14 isotope is used in radiocarbon dating to find the age of fossil wood or animals. Many radioisotopes are used to diagnose and in the treatment of many diseases like brain tumor, cancer, hyperthyroidism, blood disorder and skin disease. This kind of treatment is called radiotherapy. Children, in our daily life, we use numerous colored dress materials and colored food products. Do you know how they get colored? These colored materials are called dyes. The dyes are all aromatic compounds originating from plants and also from insects, fungi and lichens. Due to modern technology, many kinds of synthetic dyes were prepared and used by mankind. Dye chemistry is the study of dyes, and it also provides us information on theory, structure, synthesis and application of synthetic dyes. Dyes can be classified based on method of application and based on structure. Basic dyes are used for dyeing animal fibers and plant fibers. Modern dyes are also called as indirect dyes. These dyes have a poor affinity for cotton fabrics and hence do not dye directly. They require pre-treatment of the fiber with the mordant. Direct dyes, they have high affinity for cotton, rayon and other cellulose fabric. Vat dyeing is a continuous process and is carried out in a large vessel called vat. Children, based on structure, the dyes are classified as azo dyes, nitro and nitroso dyes, indigo dyes and anthraquinone dyes. Children, now we are going to discuss an important branch of applied chemistry, that is agricultural and food chemistry. Agricultural chemistry mainly focus to increase crop yield, to improve food quality and in reducing cost of food production. Crop plants may have different kinds of soil with varying pH. This soil testing involves determination of pH and texture of soil. Chemical fertilizers. Children, you know that fertilizers are chemical compounds added to crop yield for applying essential micro and macronutrients required for crop growth. Pesticides and insecticides are used to protect the crops from pests and insects. Food chemistry. As we know, food is one of the basic needs of all living things. All human beings require three kinds of food: body-building foods, energy-giving foods and protective foods. Body-building foods, that is proteins, are required for physical growth of body. Energy-giving foods, that is carbohydrates, fats are the foods that supply energy for the function of parts of human body. Protective foods are vitamins and minerals. These protect us from deficiency diseases. Children, now we are going to discuss forensic chemistry. Forensic chemistry applies scientific principles, techniques and methods to the investigation of crime. Some important methods used in crime investigation by a forensic chemistry lab are fingerprint, biometrics, and alcohol test. Fingerprint is one of the most important evidences in crime investigation. In this class, we have discussed some of the branches of applied chemistry like radiochemistry, dye chemistry, agricultural and food chemistry, and forensic chemistry. From this portion, I would like to ask some questions. Will you answer? Excellent children, correctly answered.